Okay, thank you.
This is it right here.
That's it. Yeah, that's bad.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's gone. Ugh. Ah, crap. Think it could be moved up at all? Because I can't reach the trunk. Let me see. I got it. Will it cut on? Huh?
It's not going to cut on.
Sure? Well, it did. Think I can try it?
Yeah, you can try it.
Check. Wow. Yeah, I'm not going to attempt that again. Ooh. Ooh. It was in neutral. Let me see.
Get the back door up.
Can I push it? Because we got to get to the trunk.
It's not, you'll have to get to the trunk through here.
Oh yeah, I'm glad the engine cut off. I can smell it burning. Yeah. Oh, I guess something rubbed. Oh, that's bad. Oh, Camry. There's stuff in here too. Gotta get her key. Freak. What's happening? Key was in my pocket, hit it by accident. I'm going to get that covered. Going to get it. She also wanted the floor mat. Keys. I got the office keys, the spare key, the driver key, everything. Oh, blood. Ugh. This car's a biohazard. It smells funky. Oh, my Garmin. Oh, no. Oh, no. That's gone. Well, car, here's our one last sit. You did well. You did well. You're always gonna have a place in my heart for saving my mother. On you a lot, but thank you enough. It's a huge hole. I could see the engine. The engine is tilted. Yeah, no wonder it cut off. The whole intake is shredded. Yeah, it was bound to shut off. The radiator support is definitely gone. I'm surprised the engine didn't go back in the wheel in the back past the firewall. See anything? See the intake. I got a crowbar. I say just wait a few minutes for everything to dry. I don't know. Oh, I didn't mess with that. You got that. There should be. I don't know where it went though. My Garmin. Smells like mold. Now I'm gonna go ahead and say one thing. This. Oh heck, that might. My brain is stuck. I was gonna say this might have made a good part, but it doesn't. Looks undamaged. Yeah, so this looks undamaged. I mean, looks unscathed. The whole stirrup column is just destroyed. Just set that Husky one away from those who you have in your hand. Well, I don't want to get the carpet one mold on it because, you know, it's hard to clean mold out of carpet. Whoops. Well, if you want to say your goodbyes. What's that? You want to take the headlight symbol?
No.
Oh. Oh, I would. In my pocket. I'll just tell me when you're ready. Oh my God. I think you should have let me do that. We'll start. I'm gonna try one time. And you don't want to do it again? I think that resets it. Maybe I'm wrong. I should probably get out of this seat. Doing the next person a favor. Let's save that in whole tones. That's where it was bought from. That's where we bought the car. Anyway, well, like I said, it's the last time I'll be thanking you. You saved my mom. Thank you.